Hi everyone, Angela here. Today we get to talk about this beautiful Calathea. I've had a few before, I've killed them all, but I've found the secret to success. So we're going to talk about a couple tips that will help you grow some beautiful Calatheas just like this one. Okay, so I feel like that intro was super cheesy, but we're going to be for real here. I've learned a couple things and I want to share them with you because if you are drawn to this striking foliage, then you probably need some tips on how to keep it alive. I don't know why, but I always find that a Calathea is so hard for me to keep happy. But I found a couple tricks. The first one, of course, we're going to start with watering and humidity. Now these are tropical plants and so they love to be in a humid climate, warmer climates, and they, the leaves open and close. This is a rattlesnake. They open and close throughout the day, like as they open up in the morning and then come nighttime you can see they start to fold up, and they show, like this one here has beautiful purple foliage on the bottom, so like just stunning. Anyways, what I have found is that I need not well draining soil, but a soil that actually retains the moisture really well. And so I have it in a vanity pot so that I can take it out. I have drainage holes at the bottom, and I just take it right to the sink and I give it a good drink. I let the leaves get wet and everything, and then I let it sit in the sink and drain. Get all the excess water out of there, and then put it back in its vanity pot that goes on a wooden surface. Alright, so the second thing that I do to keep the moisture and humidity level high is that I use a spray bottle throughout the week. And so I probably water this guy a good water about just once a week. But then I'd say 2 to 3 times a week I come in and I'll mist the leaves, and sometimes give a little extra around the base. So those are the two main things that I have found that keep this plant really happy and healthy. And then of course the light levels. Now you can see I have a little bit of browning on the leaves. That's because I missed a watering by like 3 days. But then when it comes to the light, I have it in a place that has a lot of bright but very, very indirect light. So it doesn't get any direct light at all, but the room that it is in itself has a ton of light. And so that's been really helpful. I actually have a new round of leaves. There's probably like 6 or 7 that just came out and sprouted after I had a ton of death after I repotted it the first time. But we have finally made it through. So those are just a few of the tips that I have found to be very successful in working with my Calathea. And so if you guys have any questions, make sure you comment below. These tips with the watering should work for any kind of Calathea that you have. So let me know if you need any help. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you guys, so we'll troubleshoot any of your problems together, okay? I hope you guys had a great time with the video. It was good to see you again. Well, at least you got to hear from me, so comment below so that we can chat a little bit, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.